Welcome back. I'm Larry. So, got a quick little fun tech tip that I want to give you. So I was sitting here cleaning up my my fan, my factory Ford Flex fan for my 351 Cleveland engine build I'm putting in this truck. So now I already knew this, but I figured this would be a good time to show you while I was prepping it for paint. Is if you ever want to have like a custom looking fan with like chrome looking blades, you don't have to go buy one. You can take a factory Ford Flex fan, and these blades are stainless steel. You can see how they shine up really nice. Try to get you some better light here. They shine up really nice. Now I'm not taking it down all the way. It's just this one having to go down more than to get what I needed to make it smooth. See, I'm not doing them all. I'm just doing it until they're smooth. But you can take these all the way down to the stainless steel part, polish them, shine them, and clean them, and they'll be really good looking and chrome looking. Then you can come back and paint your brackets and all that, and it'll be a black and chrome looking fan, or paint it whatever color you want, really. And then you have a factory Ford Flex fan that looks custom. So there you go. There's a quick little tip that you don't have to spend any money on a flex fan if you want one of those custom looking fans. Now, yes, they make 6-blade fans, but you can get a factory Ford 6 and 7-blade flex fan. They did make them. They're a little bit more rare, a little bit hard to find, but they do make them. So, and you can do the same to them. Clean them down to the stainless steel, paint them, and then you're good to go. So, but anyway, cool little tech tip, we'll call it, and just interesting little piece of trivia in case you didn't know. So anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the drop box down below. And that's all there is for this one. Till next time, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.